Welcome everyone to this reading part 2, Applying a Diagram Analysis. Before we start, I want to let you know that I will be following the information provided in our reading part 2, Tips and Strategies Guide. If you would like a more detailed analysis of the Tips and Strategies Guide, you can find it in our CELPIP library. Here in the library, in the reading section part 2, there is this video which explains to you more clearly the tips and strategies for part 2. So if you want that information, you can find it there. For now, I will only be going through the pages. You can pause if you want to read the information. We need to understand how to manage our time effectively. We have 9 minutes, so this tells us there what we should be doing. How to read the text. What information should we focus on? This is very good as well. What information to focus on the most while we're reading the text? Okay, either the diagram or the email. What should we focus on? This is good as well. How should we respond to questions? Very good information here. What can we do? Okay. Answering questions 1 to 5. Okay, questions 1 to 5 relate to the diagram directly. And answering questions 6 to 8. What can we do to answer those questions more correctly? Okay. Now let's get started with today's analysis. So everyone, I'm here in the CELPIP library in the reading part 2, applying the diagram section. And today we are going to be analyzing a sample from volume 3 called Courses. Okay, now before we start, I want to let you know that I will be completing this analysis in 9 minutes, which is the time we have for doing part 2. So what you should gather from this analysis is try to focus on how I'm analyzing information, what I'm reading, what I'm doing to analyze it. Okay, now the format is not exactly the same as the CELPIP exam. It's just a few little things that are a little bit different, but it's almost the same. So just focus on how I analyze information, how I read, how I go back and forth between the diagram and the questions, and focus on that, everyone. And I will also be trying to explain some vocabulary or some words as I go. Okay? I'll make some comments in the end. Now let's get started. I'm just gonna zoom in. Greetings, Pablo. This is Samantha from Ashton College. I hope all is good. I've got the information on the courses you've requested for the 1 semester. So fall courses, here is, looks like just questions about that. So what semester? Latest semester, newest semester, upcoming semester, first semester. Should be upcoming. Upcoming means it's going to start. So he requested some information for the upcoming semester. Okay. All right. First things first, all the courses are 2 since the daytime is more for our full-time students and we have more during that time. All the courses are since the daytime. Courses times 7-9 evening, 6-8 evening, 6-8 evening, 7-9 evening. From 6-8, 7-9, no, at night. At night would be after 9, in the evening between 6 and 8, 7-9. So it would be in the evening. Let's remember that in Canada, we have evening, which is usually 5 to 9, okay? And then we have night. Also, all of them are 2 days except for the 3, which only runs on Thursday. Also, you'll notice that, okay, so we really need to understand each sentence. Except for means not including. GED media per computer. So it says that course only runs on Thursday. Thursday, Monday. So the citizenship class. Okay. Also, you'll notice that the multimedia courses have 4, which is used towards the extra material for that class. The multimedia courses have an 4. Extra internet, more media, added fee, email charge. Extra internet, introduction to computers. Doesn't say about internet here. P3, where's the internet? You will want to learn about computers and the internet. So you will learn about the internet. It says fee 75, fee 85, so added fee. Okay. The multimedia courses, computers and media repair. So 2 of them. This one's not about internet as well. You're in luck with the GED class because it's taught 5, so you'll be able to understand better in your native one. Native one. By 2 teachers in 2 languages on 2 days in a larger room. So let's see here. We zoom in, GED, English and Spanish. So it looks like it is taught by 2 teachers, but it says here that you will be able to understand more in your native one. So I'm assuming it's talking about languages because understanding. And it says it's Spanish, Ms. Lopez, okay? So in 2 languages. Okay, lastly, please note that since these classes are not every day, you'll have a lot of take-home material during the week, which you'll be required to hand in the following day. So you have a lot of homework. If the material is not completed, then you won't be considered for the diploma. So technically, the courses are 5 days a week. Okay, if you have any questions, concerns. So it's saying here that there's a lot of homework. How much time do we have? We have lots of time. Pablo is interested in multimedia the most. Wasn't clear. Would like to attend the college next year. Next year, this upcoming semester, fall semester, so shouldn't be next year, should be this year. I think can speak 2 languages, isn't interested in the courses about America. He is interested about the citizenship, maybe. So it said here that you can understand better in your native language. So I think it's saying that Pablo, sorry, can speak 2 languages, and that one was taught in Spanish over here. Okay. All right. And none of the courses are offered more than 2 days. So true. Can be taken only one day. One course can be taken. Are scheduled between 6 to 9. No, some are. Offer more than 4 hours of instruction. Are offered more than 2 days. I think it's offer more than 2 days of instruction. Because here, Monday, Wednesday, none of the courses are offered more than 2 days. Well, one is offered one day, but none offer more than 4 hours of instruction. Because here, 6 to 8, 2, 7 to 9, 2, 6 to 8, 2 hours. But here, only 2 hours. So none offer more than 4 days, but one of them you can take on one day. So it wouldn't be A because one is offered on one day. So it has to be D. Samantha suggests that you have a lighter schedule because of less class time. Easier schedule, lighter schedule. There's more commitment than class time. Commitment means you have more. If you have commitment to study English, for example, or to study for CELPIP, then you do a lot more because you are committed. You have commitment. The diploma is only given if you do the homework. A few days is all you need to complete the course. I believe it's B, because over here she says, technically the courses are 5 days a week. You'll have a lot of take-home material, which you'll be required to hand in the following day. If the material is not completed, then you won't be considered for the diploma. So it's suggesting here that you need more commitment. What was that about homework? Not a few days, not a few days, you need more. The diploma is only given if you do the homework. Well, it's not only homework, it's the class and the homework. So you need more commitment means that you need extra effort. You need to try harder and not an easier schedule. Okay? All right, well, we finished with a minute left. Okay, I hope we got everything correct here. Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. And now, of course, part 2 is more for CLB 5-6. You need to focus on this part, CLB 5-6s. And level 7 or higher, you need to get everything correct in this part. You need to get everything correct in this part. Well, almost everything. Level 5-6, you need about 5 correct, about 5. And 7 or higher, you need 7 or 8, almost everything correct. So everyone, now I will be leaving a link in the description box to a practice, it's the same one, but you just put in your email here, and it's different questions, okay? Different questions, different answers. So everyone, you can practice. Please follow the link in the description box. Also, everyone, there's also a link there for the CELPIP library. I strongly recommend. The CELPIP library has over 60 examples, more. We will be uploading more soon. So nearly 100 examples, and for a very low price. Okay? So sign up to the library if you need. There's going to be a promo code there as well. All this, okay? So everyone, let's remember, practice makes perfect. I would like to remind you that if you're looking for some more listening, reading, writing, or speaking CELPIP exam practice, then you should definitely subscribe to our CELPIP library. The CELPIP library has hundreds of examples of listening, reading, writing, and speaking, which will help you develop your score, whatever the score you need. Also, the library contains vocabulary, listening skills, reading skills, grammar, and writing skills exercises, which will really help you improve your general understanding of English and also for the exam. So, and you can purchase a 1-month pass or a 2-month or a 3-month subscription for a very low price. And of course, if you really enjoyed this content, then please like this video, share it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we will keep on producing more CELPIP analysis for your development. Have a great day.